because I really wish I would have gotten different products. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caitlin if you're new here. Today's video we are going to be unboxing my January BOXYCHARM. I just got this in today and I was like, okay, well, gotta film because I'm not opening this and I really want to. So that's why we're here today. Quick reminder, or if you haven't heard about it yet, if you follow me on Instagram, I have two Instagrams, my beauty page, and then I have my personal account, which is Kaitlan_Annette. And so I've decided to merge those two accounts because a lot of people look me up by Kaitlan Annette, and that's my personal account that pops up. And so I'm just going to be merging that, my beauty account, into my personal account. So make sure to go and follow me at Kaitlan_Annette because that is the one that is going to be the one that's going to be up and running now. So just a little side note. Okay, so it's not open, obviously. I'm gonna use my car keys to get it out. Alrighty. So we open it up and this is what it looks like. Let's see, this month is called Breaking the Ice, and that's super cute. So that's their theme, I guess 2020, breaking the ice, getting more involved, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Like, first impressions, I'm not like, oh my gosh, yes. I don't know. Let's just go ahead and get into the box. The first thing that I see is the Pretty Vulgar. This is the undercover concealer. Do we see this? That's the concealer. Let's do a little swatcheroo right here. And that's honestly too dark for me. It's literally orange. Do we see this? I guess it kind of blended out, but like in person it's really orange, isn't it? There's that. This is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. It retails for $25. The next thing I see is Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist.
Helps to set, makeup, energize, and revive skin. Filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. It glow, hydrates, and energizes. Use under makeup to prep skin, over makeup to set your look, and throughout the day to refresh tired skin.
It's in Beauty. It's this little thing right here. Okay, so we're gonna spray it. Guess we're gonna spray it on my face. That mister is terrible. And I don't like the smell of this. That mister is awful, you guys. I don't know how I feel about that. This mister is definitely awful. It's like kind of like it squirts. It's not like, you know, misting on your face. It's not like a light squirt. Like it's like tss, tss. Not a fan of that. And it retails for $32. I don't think that's worth $32, my opinion. The next thing I see is the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream with Ruby Crystal Complex. If y'all can hear raining, I'm sorry. We're like under severe weather, so you probably can hear the rain. Let's put it on this skin. It kind of smells like orange peels. It is super soft. So that retails for $55. The next thing is this Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with castor oil. Screw it open. See the wand? Oh, that wand's pretty nice. So that was like a little swatch of this right here. It's not super black, so I don't know how that's gonna wear. Anyways, that mascara is $25. It's the Grande Cosmetics Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara. So that's what that is. The last thing I have in my box is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Face Gommage. Okay, that smells really nice. Kind of smell, it's very, it has these like little beads in here to exfoliate. And this retails for $28. Okay, so I guess the only products I'm really excited about is the Skin & Co. Roma Face Gommage exfoliator. I guess the eye cream, because I do not have an eye cream and I'm excited to try this out. It was very like soothing and gentle on my hand, like very soft. And I'm like in the middle about this mascara just because it's not super pigmented on my hand when I wanded it on my hand, but I like the wand, so I'm in between on this. I am definitely like, I wish I would have gotten something else. I do not like this spray and I don't like this concealer. This concealer is too orange and it's too dark for me. It's probably good for like, I probably could use it if I had like acne spots or something like that, but it's not dark enough for me to contour, but it's too dark for me to actually conceal like under my eyes. So I probably won't ever use this. And this I probably won't ever use. I just do not like this mister. I don't like the way it smells, and I don't know about this. So overall review, I'm kind of sad about this box. I thought it was going to be good because it had so many awesome sneak peeks on their Instagram, so I was excited. Leave in the comments down below if you think I should keep on going with the BOXYCHARM. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification to get rung
every time I post.
And give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to at least 25 likes. Like at least 25. You got this, girl. You made it this far. You might as well just hit that like button. This video is done. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And as usual, I will see you in my next video. And I'm out. Bye.